I'm TJ Beachel. I'm here with DirectOut today to talk about the Ace. The Ace is our newest product offering where we're scaling down our traditional product line into a smaller form factor that fits in a book bag that offers quite a punch. Let's take a look at the overview of the product. On the front face, we have 4 headphone outputs rather, a touchscreen to maneuver general IP assignments and headphone levels, a knob to be able to navigate the front screen, and you'll notice that we have power 1 and 2 because everything that we talk about is going to be focusing on failover, redundancy, and disaster recovery, and that starts with our power. We'll go ahead and turn over the unit and take a look at the specs features. We've got power 1 and 2. Again, and what's really cool about the power input is it's USB-C. It includes 2 power supply cables, but what's really unique is it only requires 20 volts, so you can run this off of the UPS cell phone charger as a battery backup system while on the road. You can buy this unit in 2 flavors, Dante or Milan, and what's really unique is it has 4 MADI SFP ports. So you can have MADI BNC, MADI Fiber. We have also a MADI USB, which is a class-compliant 64x64 audio interface that you can plug into up to 4 computers if you so desire. Word clock I/O, GPIO, 4 microphone preamps, 4 line-level inputs, 4 analog outs, AES I/O, all in a box that fits in your book bag for the price point of $3,399.